Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 2.6 question number 1. Solve the following equations. 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. Let us solve this one. Number 1 is number 1 is 8x minus 3 by 3x is equal to 2. On multiplying on multiplying 3x on both sides we get on multiplying 3x on both sides we get there is 8x minus 3 8x minus 3 by 3x into 3x is equal to 2 into 3x, right? That is we are getting 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 is 6x. On transposing 6x to left hand side, LHS and minus 3 to RHS we get 8x minus 6x is equal to 3, or 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to, that is dividing both sides by 2, we are getting x is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3 by 2. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.